What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 3 Retro JTH NRG in the Beige colorway. These dropped today, August 28th for $250 US or 330 Canadian dollars. The official colorway for this shoe is Beige, Camellia, and Opti Yellow. As the name of the shoe suggests, JTH, this is a collaboration once again between Justin Timberlake and Tinker Hatfield. And this colorway specifically is the second colorway to drop following the white cement inspired version. Here in Canada, these are a pretty limited release. So these released at select boutiques such as Livestock and Capsule, and they were also available at the Jordan store at 306 Yonge in downtown Toronto. However, due to the high price point on these, which was $330 Canadian, which ended up being around $372 after tax, this may have scared some of the buyers away, and if you're around the Jordan store even at noon, which was about 4 hours after the store actually opened, select sizes were still available in store. So jumping straight into the shoe, this colorway was inspired by Justin Timberlake's album Man of the Woods. Drawing direct inspiration from the song Higher Higher, this shoe has a very earthy and very natural look to it. In fact, the box itself also shows off that theme as well. So the top of the box has this wood-like print on it with this Jumpman logo in the center. We have the Man of the Woods logo on the front, and the bottom of the box is done in orange. So the paper has a bit of a tree or forest feel to it, and once again we have this Man of the Woods logo printed on the paper itself. So the silhouette of the shoes are unchanged. This is your normal Jordan 3 silhouette. The majority of the upper is constructed using a very luxurious suede. This suede feels very nappy and very soft to the touch, and you can definitely tell it's a bit more of a premium material as opposed to your standard Jordan suede. Below the suede, wrapping around the front half of the shoe, here we have a very smooth and very soft leather, also done in the same beige color. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box, here we have a completely blacked out elephant print. Taking a look at the center area of the shoe, so starting off at the bottom, we have these 5 eyelets. This is done in this yellow color. Moving upwards, here we have these 3 eyelets done in this beige colored plastic. And then at the very top, we have the final 2 eyelets done in black. These come standard with beige colored leather laces, but they also come with 2 extra laces as well. So the first pair is a normal flat style lace in beige, and the second pair is orange. Underneath the laces, we have your tongue, which is constructed out of leather. So the bottom half is perforated, but the top half is completely smooth, and here we have this Jumpman logo embossed in the center. Found on the midfoot of only the lateral side, here we have a Nike swoosh. This is constructed out of beige 3M, so in normal light it kind of blends in with the rest of the shoe, but if you shoot the shoe with flash, then you'll see this swoosh completely light up. On the medial side, however, we don't have that swoosh. Instead, we have the word higher embossed at the very top. Around this ankle collar area, once again, this is constructed out of that perforated leather. And then as we move down, once again, we have more of this blacked out elephant print. And then moving on to the back of the shoe, here we have your standard Jordan 3 heel tab. This is completely done in black with this Nike Air branding in the center in white. Attached to the left shoe, we have this plastic hang tag that has Tinker Hatfield's signature, as well as a very small Jumpman logo. The back side of the tongue is lined in orange. We have Tinker Hatfield's signature on the left foot and Justin Timberlake's signature found on the right foot. These JTHs also feature this shearling liner on the inside. This is a very fleecy and soft feel to it, and it reminds me of those Sherpa jackets. Taking a look at the insoles, so these come with a graphic printed insole. So the left foot has this flame graphic to it with the words "stress is cruel" on the heel. And then on the right insole, this has a forest or a tree graphic to it with the phrase "fame is a lie" on the heel. The upper of these JTH 3s sits atop this full-length foam midsole. The majority of the midsole is white, but the back half is painted in this glossy dark gray finish. Underneath the heel, we have this cutaway that exposes the orange airbag found encapsulated within the midsole. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have your standard Air Jordan 3 outsole. The majority of the outsole has this semi-translucent smoky gray finish to it, and then we have these accents of orange found on the forefoot and on the Nike branding underneath the heel. Sizing wise, so these fit exactly the same as all my other Air Jordan 3s, so I grabbed these in a size 10.5. If you guys haven't worn Jordan 3s before, for most people, that means sticking true to size. Comfort wise, so these don't go above and beyond your normal Jordan 3, so with that said, these are still very comfortable. The insole that's provided is pretty thick, and I personally find that the Jordan 3 is one of the more comfortable older retro Jordans to have released. Quality wise, as I mentioned earlier, so this is definitely a top-notch Jordan. The suede on my pair was buttery, the leather was very soft, and from the pairs that I saw at least, there wasn't any visible glue stains and the paint job was pretty decent. It's not going to be a perfect sneaker, but it definitely has this elevated feel to it compared to your standard Jordan retros. So with all that being said, now let me lace up these JTH 3s and show you guys how these look on feet. If you guys know me, you'll know that I love the Air Jordan 3 model. So while the price point was a little tough to swallow, this is still a very beautiful sneaker and it's gonna look amazing with fall outfits. If you guys are watching and you're asking me, is this worth the 330 Canadian or the 250 US dollars? Ultimately, that's gonna be your call. For me, I didn't hesitate to grab these, but I know a lot of personal friends that decided to pass on these because of the higher price point. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the Beige Air Jordan 3 JTH. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, thank you for the continued support, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.